I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by prepping assets and composition settings so your split screen is precise. Import both clips and drag them into a new comp sized to your deliverable. Once done, set the frame rate and work area. Make sure to enable motion blur if you'll have movement, and turn on the grid or guides to align edges. You'll want labeled layers and basic trims now so you can focus on positioning and masks without hunting for footage later. Now you'll construct the actual split. Select the first layer and adjust position and scale to fill the left side. Do the same for the second layer on the right. If you need a soft edge, add identical rectangular masks and feather them a few pixels to avoid hard seams. For complex shots, add a shape layer as a visible divider and adjust anchor points to correct perspective mismatch. Once aligned, solo each layer and check motion continuity across the seam. Finish by matching color and fine-tuning the seam so both sides read as one piece. Use lumetri or curves to match exposure and white balance. Once matched, pre-compose the split and apply global effects like grain or sharpening so both sides feel cohesive. Set render settings and codec for delivery. If edges flicker or reveal black, inspect masks and alpha channels, toggle guide layer visibility, and temporarily increase feather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.